Need help with your skin care? Well, today we're talking from Living Well Aesthetics. We have Dr. Jared Chapman. Thanks for joining us.
And thank you for having me, Susan.
Yeah, and I hear we're talking about radial cheek lines. What are these?
So when we smile, we see these creases that will radiate out from the area around the mouth. And they kind of look like half circles or half moons. And that's referred to as radial cheek lines. And we have a product called Juvederm Volure XC, which is amazing to treat this area. It's a very smooth hyaluronic acid filler that acts to support that tissue. So after we replace mid-face volume and we work through the jawline to really lift this tissue, sometimes we're left with this unsupported tissue around the mouth, and we can place this product in there to give support. So there's two types of these radial cheek lines that we can see: static versus dynamic. And so what we're aiming to treat are those static lines that remain when we're at rest. Sometimes it looks crepey. The skin might look crepey over that area, or just gathered, and this actually gives support. So it's a nice finishing touch to use around the area of the mouth. It looks very natural, responds very well to movement, and lasts about 18 months.
Okay, you mentioned there is a treatment there that lasts about 18 months. Is this something that you would request or recommend getting it done frequently?
So again, it depends on the patient, but the product by the FDA, through the studies that we did and Allergan did, showed that the product lasts a year to 18 months in the area where we place it around the mouth. And so its indication is for fine lines and wrinkles of the lower face. So this falls within the already approved FDA indication, but it's something that we're starting to focus on more as we see that we're lifting this tissue by treating structural issues, and then we're left with these superficial issues of the face. Another thing we can use in this area, and that I use a lot, is Skinvive, which is a skin booster that they've had in Europe forever. It's not a filler, but it's a skin hydrator, and it really works also to fill in that tissue that's kind of crepey and loose. So there's a couple of things we can do for this area. It's not only just replace volume, but actually finesse the area around the mouth and make it look smoother, which is a common complaint of patients coming in. They don't like the way this area looks around their mouth.
How soon do you start noticing a difference when you begin these treatments?
With the Juvederm Volure XC, it's immediate. With the skin hydrator Skinvive, it takes about 4 weeks for the skin to fully integrate the product and see the hydration occur.
Okay, great. So how can people set up a consultation with you and see if this is right for them?
So they can go out to our website, livingwellaesthetics.com, and fill out an inquiry, or they can actually call the office, 304-205-4041, or they can text 304-989-2065. Both of those, the call and the text, will put you into both offices, and then they can decide which location is best for them.
Great. Dr. Chapman, thanks so much for sharing this with us today.
Thank you for having me, Susan.